welcome to the Abloomnova channel. This is the Bache Hydra Repulp Repair Balm designed for dehydrated skin. An instant skin repair balm which works on the most dehydrated areas of your face and body. It helps to repair your skin after dehydration caused by extreme weather, for example, very harsh winters or very hot summers, and also dehydration caused by air conditioning, heating, or air travel. It contains shea butter, which works as an anti-inflammatory and helps to moisturize and repair your skin. Apply on specific areas which need hydration, either on your face or your body, and apply it in a thick layer like you would with a mask. Leave for about 10 minutes, but keep in mind that this product will not be fully absorbed. After the 10 minutes, you can either wipe the excess off with a damp sponge, or you can massage it until the product is fully absorbed. Use 1 to 3 times per week, and you will yourself feel how much and when you need this. You can find this product at www.abloomnova.net. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And you can find us on Facebook and Twitter as well. Thank you for watching.